Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn off glass mode in Samsung A36 or A56. If you want to turn off glass modes, let's see how can do this. Basically, it's just a glass mode in your phone, so let's see how can you turn it off. Just open your phone settings and just look down for wallpapers and style, tap on it, then select change wallpaper. From here, scroll down and you will get the wallpaper services. Just tap on it, and here you must have to make sure that you are enabled. If you have enabled one of any two of these, you just have to select none, then select apply. So in this way, you can easily disabled or turn off glance mode in your Samsung A36 or A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.